Stuck with Windows Update error 0x80d02002 on Windows 11? No worries. We've got 3 effective fixes coming your way. Press Windows plus R to open settings. Click on System on the left pane, then Troubleshoot on the right pane. Select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down, locate Windows Update, and click the Run button. Press This should help solve the problem if this didn't do the trick. Let's proceed to the next solution. Windows plus R to open settings. Select Time and Amp, Language, then click on Language and Amp, Region. Under Windows Display Language, set it to English, United Kingdom. Next, under Preferred Language, select a language of your choosing. Scroll to Region and enter the details of your country. Then, under Regional Format, select English, United Kingdom. Restart your PC and check if the error persists. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Hit the Windows key, type CMD in the search bar, and click Run as Administrator. Type in the following commands and press Enter after each one. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.